Hi guys, I'm Sambhi and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share with you 12 ways in which you can instantly start improving your social skills that will make you sociable at any time. But before I start, let's get comfy. Follow me. So, if you feel like you're the awkward one at social events or someone who struggles to start conversation, then this is definitely the video for you. Struggling with social skills can really impact your social life and your career. However, you can start improving your social skills by following these 12 strategies that I'm going to share with you in this video. And soon enough, you will be able to enter a conversation with full confidence. Now, there are 12, so I am going to power through these, and if you've got any questions about any of them, then feel free to contact me through either my social media, where the links are below, or head over to my website, which is ninsambhi.com. So number 1, let's start behaving like a sociable person. You can behave like a more sociable creature even if you don't feel like doing so. Make the decision to talk to new people and really engage within conversations and actually start some conversations yourself. Now I'm going to go through how you can deal with conversation starters later on in the video, so make sure you stick around. But the more you really control your anxiety, the easier it will be to become sociable. So really start engaging with new people and starting those new conversations. Number 2, start small if necessary. If going to a party right now seems too overwhelming, then just start small, and the next time you go to the supermarket, just start by saying thank you. If you're someone who usually lets your partner go up to order food in a restaurant, then you go up yourself. Just really start small in building your social skills and building your confidence. And the more you do it, the more you'll start believing in yourself. Now I'll just put a video up there on how you can build your self-esteem, because that also will help you in terms of building your social skills. Number 3, ask open-ended questions. If you want the attention off you within the conversation, then really start getting used to asking those open-ended questions so that the attention becomes on the person you're talking to and they end up leading the conversation so you don't have to make the little chit-chat. Number 4, encourage people to talk about themselves. A lot of people really enjoy talking about themselves. So really engage within a conversation with the person. Ask about their hobbies, their interests, their job, but really show that you're interested in what they're saying. And if you really want the conversation to go in, imagine the game of ping pong. It should head from one person to the other, so keep those open-ended questions going. Create goals for yourself. Maybe it's something that you can do in order to really enhance your social life. So really think about something you've always wanted to achieve and go out there and do it. Not only will that enhance your social life, but also will help you build some self-esteem and really believe in your abilities. And I've got a little video that I'm just going to pop up there for you in which I go through how you can start achieving your goals. Number 6, offer compliments generously. Now, compliments can be a really good conversation opener. So if you're going for a walk, you bump into a neighbour, really compliment them about their car or their house, or if it's a co-worker, really compliment about something that they've achieved or their work. Really think about how you can generously compliment someone in order then to start a conversation. Number 7, read books about improving social skills. Now, just by reading a book doesn't make you an expert. What you need to do is you need to go out there and actually practice what you are reading. But there are so many books out there that can really help you develop strategies in order to build your social skills and those conversation starters. And don't forget to practice your please and your thank yous, because good manners go a long way when it comes to your social skills. Practice being polite, show gratitude, and don't forget those table manners. Number 9, pay close attention to your body language. Non-verbal communication is a really good indicator as to how relaxed or comfortable you may look within a situation. So pay attention to the type of body language that you might be using within these social situations. Try and appear relaxed, remain eye contact, and really remain open to the conversation. You don't want to be sat there curled up, eyes down, because that's not going to be very welcoming to someone else to want to approach you. Join a social skills support group. Now, many communities do offer this either online or in person. And it's a really good way to not only meet new people, but be in a security blanket where you can really start engaging within conversations with people who will fully understand what you are going through. Now, these groups are directed at people who are shy, awkward, or really struggle and become quite anxious within social situations. So something you can do instantly today after watching this video is go to your search engine and type in social support groups in my area and just see what comes up. You might meet some lovely people along the way. Number 11, stay up to date with current events. What a great conversation starter is just talking about general news rather than the small talk of the weather. Really engage within current affairs. Now, don't go too heavy with politics, but really start understanding what's going on around you. And again, that is a really good conversation starter. And number 12, identify and replace those negative thoughts. If you have a lot of negative thoughts about your social situation, then that will be quite self-damaging. For example, if you're the sort of person that might think, well, I'm quite awkward in social situations and I don't know how to start conversations, you also then might be the person that puts yourself in the corner at a party and doesn't actually try to interact with anybody else. But if you give yourself a positive thought, something like a positive affirmation, I am confident, I am sociable, I will talk to someone today. And sometimes biting the bullet is easier. So something you can do in terms of preparing yourself in these situations and overcoming your negative thoughts is as soon as you turn up at a party or an event, use the first 60 seconds to go up to someone and introduce yourself. You've identified the problem and you're doing something about it. And that way as well, you have actually tackled one of the difficult things at the start. You've burst that bubble, that antisocial bubble, that awkward bubble, and now you've started engaging within a conversation with somebody, and that is within the first 60 seconds. So just imagine how nice the rest of your evening would go. There is that notion of pulling the band-aid off really quickly in order then to make the pain less. And that is the same with social situations. If you're finding something really awkward or uncomfortable, just go head in straight away and deal with it. And good social skills are key when it comes to communication. So if you find socializing with others quite difficult, then take on some of my points within this video and practice, practice, practice. Remember, social skills do not come easily, and you need to really practice yourself with the tips that I've shared in this video and start talking to other people. So there you have it. Those are my 12 ways in which you can start improving your social skills and become sociable at any time. And the key is to practice, practice, practice. So make sure you take on board some of the tips and go away today and start implementing them. Thank you so much for joining me on this video today. Remember, if you are someone who is really struggling to build their confidence and their self-esteem, and feel like you need a little helping hand, a little bit of encouragement along the way, then you can set up a personal consultation with me. Just head over to my website, ninsambhi.com, in order to set up that appointment right now. So the next time you feel like you're going to be in a situation where you might feel a little bit awkward, shy, or anxious, don't worry. Go back to these 12 tips and really implement some of the things that I've shared with you today. And don't forget to burst that bubble. Thanks for joining me today, guys. Enjoy the rest of your day. Take care. Bye. Don't forget, as always, you can find me on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. All the links to my social media can be found in the description below.